All right, welcome to Fabric Finds. It's Friday. Welcome to welcome to Friday Fabric Finds. Today is February 13th, Friday the 13th, for those of you who are into that. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so we have a little bit of a special episode for you. I am Clayton, I'm the VP here, and Jamie's husband.
And I am customer service manager here, and Clayton's wife.
Without further ado, let's get started.
So, not mentioned on the newsletter, but if you need a fast finish, we have some great table runner kits. They're quick, fun, fast, ridiculously cute. They're very beginner friendly, quick to sew, and it looks like you worked way harder than you probably actually did. Each kit features thoughtfully coordinated fabrics that we have each picked out, hand-picked here at Fort Fabric Studio. They're $12.96 each. We have a bunch of different table runners to start, and we'll be adding more soon.
All right, up next we have Bloomin Americana from Art Gallery. This collection features table runner kits, fat quarter bundles, and yardage. Some of the patterns include floral, stars, sparkles, stripes, and the colors are red, cream, and blue. So celebrate your independence. Oh.
Yeah,
it is supposed to be art. You put you. Celebrate you independence.
Celebrate you independence.
Celebrate your independence with Bloomin Americana.
So our next collection is Meow You Doing from Timeless Treasures, featuring assorted yardage, things like packed cats, newspapers, cat mug shots. Colors are like blay. That's gray and black put together right there. Which is kind of already gray if you think about it. Colors include black, gray, orange, white, and cream. Make a perfect project using your Meow You Doing collection.
All right, now we have Stamped from Free Spirit. This is going to feature some rag quilt kits and the full yardage collection. We have patterns such as words, dots, orbits, and lines, and colors with cream, gray, and black. So make a quilt that earns your stamp of approval with Stamped.
Next, Tilda Fat Quarter Bundles. Assorted fabulous Tilda bundles, including newly released Songbird. So fabrics like Songbird, cool solids, warm solids. How did you say that? Chambray?
Chambray.
Cool. I'm gonna go from the beginning then.
Got it right there, chambray. Just right there.
Smack him. Hold on, keep that in. This is the couples one, right? Chambray dots and medium dots. Bundle up with these Tilda Fat Quarter bundles.
All right, now we have Holt Songbird Stitches Aqua Fat Quarter Bundles. This bundle is a fresh, feel-good bundle of Holt favorites in gorgeous blue teal tones. Really does look even prettier in person than these pictures or videos can describe. They are an exclusive and they will sell out quick, so make sure you get yours now. They are regularly $29.96 and we have them on sale for $23.66. So chirp up your stash with the Holt Songbird Stitches Aqua Fat Quarter Bundle.
So this is our sale on the Stripes Galore quilt kit featuring Riders on the Range collection by Wilmington. Easy, satisfying quilt with cowboy charm, made using 2.5 strips. Regular price is $117.96, but our sale price is $68.66, so 42% off. So saddle up for savings with the Stripes Galore quilt kit.
And of course, we can't not have a slide on our 1 yard cuts. These are 1 yard pre-cuts. We are adding new prints all the time, so check that out every day. There's going to be new items available. They are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. Multiples will not be continuous. They are individually cut 1 yard pieces. So buzz on over to our website to check out our 1 yard cuts. And now we get to go to the fun bit where we have our comment of the week. Last week, we asked everybody to leave comments if they wanted to have us make a video of another quilt, of us making another quilt. We had a good response there. So Barbara2281 said, "Good morning, guys. The flamingo stance was impressive, especially with you standing on a swivel chair. The Blackberry Bramble group has great colors, and yes, I would love to see you working on a quilt. Maybe you could do one for a local charity. Have a great week."
I think it's a great idea.
That is a very good idea.
At Susan610 says, "Yes, I want to see y'all working on a quilt, please. And the flamingo stance was awesome. Thanks for another great Friday video." Our guys like to keep it entertaining.
Yes, they do. Now we have Margaret Parsons, who says, "By all means, let's see another quilt making episode. You guys are always great to watch."
And then lastly, Lone Star Quilter says, rolling on the floor laughing. Okay, guys, what was your morning coffee? Yes, they were really energetic last week. Thanks for the link to the Jelly Roll group quilt. OMG, Justin had a baby face without his beard. And then, hold on, 17 years. I guess they couldn't believe that Mitchell's been here since he was 10. Yes, family business.
Yes.
Started working for the business really, really young.
Yeah.
Childhood.
Legally. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might be featured in our comments of the week. Follow us on social media and links in the description. We'll see you next week. Happy Valentine's Day.